I'm Nick from VF Engineering, and I'm welcoming you to our 2022 release of the year. It's a brand new month, brand new year, and we're really excited to show you our newest product. It's the supercharger for the Lamborghini Huracan STO. So we were fortunate to receive our Huracan STO in June 2021, and it came in a Sopo Bianco color, which is an upgraded pearlescent effect. We've had the entire car wrapped in an XPEL clear protective film, and then our graphics added to it by Protective Film Solutions. Our supercharger is a fully reversible forced induction kit. It's supplied as a turnkey system, and it's designed to run on a completely original vehicle, not requiring any other modifications. The supercharger introduces 6 psi of manifold pressure into the 5.2 litre V10, increasing horsepower from 630 and 415 pounds of torque to 830 horsepower and 600 pounds of torque. Keep in mind, this is a rear-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering car, and the way that the power delivery is experienced by the driver is by a progressive linear ramp-up, because we manage the torque through the gears. VF Engineering has authorized installers all around the world who know how to install and test and validate our product once it's installed. They also work with us during your installation process, so we can oversee and have it thoroughly checked before it's delivered back to you. If you're interested in having your STO supercharged, give us a call or send us a DM through Instagram, and we'll be in touch.